Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another gele tutorial video. So today we are making do with our Sego gele length 90, and the measurement for this gele style that we are tying is 55-45. To take out your 5, you're going to make use of your thumb and your middle finger. That's if you have short fingers like me, or you take your thumb and your index finger, that's if you have normal long fingers. Then when you're done with that, you take 2 big plates, place slanting on the head. Please, when crossing at the back, remember that the shorter hand comes on top while the longer one stays under. You get? After that, when you're done crossing, you bring forward and keep making your 2 big pleats. When you're done with that, ensure that the V is at the center. That's very, very important, because what we are going to tie is kind of like dramatic. That's why we made the base just 2 pleats. Now to tie, you're going to take where your hands stop on that part of the gele. You fold it. You're not going to tie everything. It's that part that you're going to take and tie with the other part of the shorter hand. You get? Just keep watching and see how I do it. On this other part, you're going to tie everything. Like this part is going to be smooth, while this side, as you can see, we took 3/4. You get? The part that is forming the V, we took 3/4 to tie with the other part, and the other part we took everything. I hope you guys understand. Have you seen what I'm trying to say? You take it that way and tie. When you're done, you're now going to pin that excess part at the back. You're going to pin it at the back. So keep watching and see how I do it. It's very easy to do. Now when we are done pinning at the back, we proceed to start making our round slash fan. That's what we are doing. So when you're making the round pleats, you're going to take it from the bottom part down there. That's how you're going to take it there, plait it well so that everything is in order. Then you move it forward. Can you see what I'm trying to say? Now when we are done taking our pleats, we are going to arrange it properly up to the part that we have knotted. You get? After that, you go ahead to start taking your fan. Please note, you could pleat everything. You could make your fan all through, or you could just do it, you know, when it stops at the place you want it to stop, then you proceed to the next level. But for me, I'm not going to pleat all the fan. You get? Because at some point it's going to be too bulky. So keep watching. Now when we are done with that, to make everything to be in shape and firm, we are going to take the back. Whatever you're tying, you're going to see that that back part is extra. And please note, while we are taking the back, we are not even leaving the back out. You get? We are not opening the back. So we are going to take the back and bring it forward and pin. That way everything is secure. Can you see what I'm doing? It's very easy to do, not too much tie, not too much this thing. Everything is going to be, you know, neatly done. Now when you're going to pin, you pin very well so that everything is okay. Like at this point I pinned 3 times, so it depends on how you're going to go about yours. Now after that longer part, we are going to take it and, you know, just freestyle, make any type of design that you want to do with that part. But take note that whatever you're doing should come downwards. You're going to see how I do it as the video continues. You come downwards so that the left hand part and the right hand part is going to be the same. That's when you're measuring it at the neck region. Can you see what I'm trying to say? You bring it down to that part and pin. You pin to the base, then form your style, form anything you want to do on that side. And we are like 80% done with our gele. Now we go ahead to arrange the back properly and pin all loose ends. After that, we go ahead to make finishing touches and we are done. And by finishing touches on this particular type or style of gele that I'm doing, you're going to pin where those splits are. You're going to, you know, pin it to give it, you know, a kind of like a different style. Just see how I'm doing it. You take the free parts and that part that has been pleated and pin together. Can you see? Now you could pin more than once. You could pin like 3 times on different spots or different places. You get. When you're done with that, please ensure that everything is okay. And we are done with our gele. At some point I was feeling like, man, I've done this type before, but the thing is that they are different process all together. From the base up to the finishing level, everything is different. So this is another bridal look that you could tie on your bride. I just said let me come up with something today. So if you watched up to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in my next one. See it now. Very beautiful. Bye guys.